Wow, brother, that's a trap and a half. Guys, I'm 5'8". That grass is coming high up on me. I mean, you can't imagine any kids coming back here playing. This is a trip. We're gonna try to help her get a grip on the yard.
guys? I'm Brad.
I'm Nick.
And we have a YouTube channel called
Brad and Nick.
Helping Hands with Brad and Nick. Gotta watch this guy. Hey, look, but seriously, we need your help. We need you to like and follow our channel so that we can help more people.
Right.
It's just the simple truth. In order for us to fund these projects, it takes you following us, setting up for notifications, liking our videos, commenting on our videos, watch our videos all the way through.
Sharing.
And right now we're fully funding our channel until we can get income from YouTube. Maybe you want to support our channel and be a sponsor.
Yep.
We need you. So, you got anything to say, Nick?
Yeah, what he said.
All right. Well, you guys have a good night. Like it, subscribe. Talk to you soon.